tens of thousands of king penguin chicks are enduring their darkest days. It's been 2 months since this chick's parents left to find food. In all that time, she hasn't eaten a thing. All she can do is wait for their return. This seasonal famine leaves her development frozen in time, which is why king penguin chicks take up to 13 months to fledge, longer than any other bird. Parents are starting to return. Many will have traveled a staggering 4,000 miles from their winter feeding grounds at the polar front. Their bellies bulging with fish, ready to share with their starving offspring. The chick searches for her parents among the new arrivals. She can pick out their individual call amongst hundreds of thousands of others. But still, nothing. Each winter, half of king penguin chicks starve to death, waiting for their parents. She won't survive much longer. It's been 150 days since the penguin chick last ate. She's lost 70% of her body weight and is too weak to go on. And then there's one late arrival. It's time to pick up a penguin. When it's your first meal in 5 months, regurgitated fish slips down a treat.